Good day, Janice and Travaku. Welcome to another Christmas special at Polynesian Cultural Center. Please hit the like and subscribe, it really does help. We're here for the Christmas train ride, and it's free too. This train ride explored the beautiful Christmas lights during the evening, and it's quite beautiful. Check this out. Lava. Well, not exactly. Good day, Janice and Travaku. We are on the planet Earth, on the state of Hawaii, on the beautiful island of Oahu at Polynesia Cultural Center. We'll be held at Hikilua Marketplace. Place open from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Janice and Travaku, we're here at Polynesia Cultural Center. So we're catching a train, and come follow us. So the line is behind me, right back there. So here we go. Now, before we catch the train, I just want to explore Hikilua Marketplace. They have amazing foods and amazing stores as well. So come check this out. So here we are. They got coffee and crepes over here. Also, they got great fish and chips. And they got Mexican food trucks over there. And they also got sushi and poke bowl too. Oh, I'm not done yet. They also have ice cream. And they have a restaurant called Pounders as well. And they also have other food trucks as well. And you got free Santa picture as well. Good day, Jason Travaku, and here we are. Voila! This will be where we catch the train at Polynesia Cultural Center. After we patiently waited, 6 minutes later, and here we are. Voila! Alright, Jesse, Travaku, all aboard! Chee-hoo, or choo-choo! There we are, Jesse and Travaku, and ta-da! And like I said, this is an amazing place to take your family. So there's train rides, you get to take a picture with Santa, and there's great foods around here. And look at that, there's a lovely family just enjoying the night. Now, Polynesia Cultural Center is kind of like a Disneyland in Hawaii. So it shows a lot of mixed Polynesian culture and their tradition as well. So come down here and enjoy the place. Good day, Janice and Travaku. We're coming up to the grand finale, and get ready for this. Just wait for it.
3, 2, 1.
This was like our family tradition every Christmas, but since COVID happened, it stopped, and now it's back again. So we are here again to explore Polynesia Cultural Center during the evening. Several years ago, they actually had Christmas lights on the canoe boat, and you had to purchase a ticket as you go in. You ride the boat during the night in the park. But now all that has changed, and now they do train rides in the Hikilua Marketplace area. Good day, Jettison Travel. This will conclude our Christmas special. And Merry Christmas as well. And also hit the like and subscribe button to help our channel. Once again, this is the Hikilua Marketplace at Polynesia Cultural Center. It opened from December 16th all the way to the 23rd for this special occasion from 6 p.m. to 8. Mahalo and thank you for watching.